So hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today's video is gonna be about all my slime so far. And I'll probably make another one when I have some more. So I'll be right back. Whoosh. Okay guys, I'm back. And I'm just gonna put this thingy down. I hope on there too. And yeah, and I'll be right back soon. I'm flipping the camera over. Guys, I'm gonna flip right here. So, hey guys, I'm back. So, I'm just gonna.
She get a scholarship or? She will. And she's already got college credit points for this summer when she went to the governor's school. And she's taking more college credit stuff senior year. Now she gonna be staying in a dorm or? She'll probably be staying at home, but I don't know. Or maybe she'll be staying with her sister. Does she have a dorm? Does she have a license yet? She got a driver's license?
So, hey guys, I'm just gonna
Yeah, that Ford Ranger, I think I'll
start
probably
from
be that or.
bad to good. So, yeah.
Probably just keeping in
This
mind.
is my first one. I did it.
But that's what I'm
I
doing for
made
Caleb.
this one of like iMagic and Thai. I put too much Thai, it's like horrible. And so I'm gonna take it out for class and levels. See, this is the first one cut over.
Building hog barns.
It's not good. And look, it used to be like very pretty big, but like,
Chicken and hog barn.
and then it used to be like bubblyish, so like it used to not like make bubbles. But when you squeeze it, it like makes bubble noises. It used to, so that's why it's perfect. And comment down below which would rate this 1 out of 10. And I would probably rate this a 2. That's it, a 2
Well, you know
for
how to
this
look
one.
up to see who's in
Bad, so
jailhouse over here?
no pile. So I might just give this my friend. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
And so the second two good in the middle is good / bad. So I'm just gonna go a little out. It's like it's blue and stuff there. You can see that. It has sparkles.
She's
It's
probably
made out
American
of
with that
glow in
accent.
the dark blue and tight. And I'm just gonna bring it up now so I can like play this on. So yeah. So like it's okay-ish. It's very sticky though. You can see it's already sticking to me. But it's like pretty good. All the that sticky instructions that
You got him working later or?
not for me. So I can poke it, poking pretty good, and then bubble. Pretty good bubbles. So
What?
yeah.
Oh,
So I'm gonna put the lid back on. That's the lid pie. So guys, I'm just here guys. I think that's better. made out of Crazy Art Glue and Tide, and I only used 2 bottles of it because it was like 25 cents, like 25 cents each bottle, and then so 50 plus 50 is $1. So me and my sister each got 2 bottles of glue. We already had Tide, and so we got to mix them up. And this one, hers was on her leg, and she was like doing something, like she was cutting and stuff, and then I totally forgot it was on her leg, and then I accidentally kicked it off onto this carpet thing, and it got all dirty, and then she threw it away. So yeah, so she can't play with it anymore. She just says she can. So yeah, but mine's somehow bigger than hers and fluffier than hers.
Whoa, there's another one then, huh?
Yeah, and then this one, it's just like bluish whitish Tide. And then I'm just gonna take this one out. This is the best one ever in the wide world. Like my best.
Hey, wait a minute, they actually got it? How come they just don't kill him?
So poking.
See, the end of the movie, the end of the show.
Oh my god, do this. So it's on here. Watch. 1, 2, and then it's like bubblyish, and then I squeeze it. Did you hear that, guys? It's really good. So, and the stretching is like really nice. Oh, and the last slime, the best one. What did you guys rate that one?
Yeah, right.
And so comment down below in the comment section of what would you rate? Like 0 to 1.
Let's get one more, guys, please.
0 to 1. I would rate this one too. I would rate that one about 6.5 because it's pretty good. And yeah, so it's really look. Watch. Just watch. This. There's a bubble. So somehow it's like raining a little. So why isn't it? I need it like that. Okay. So now you can see I'm squishing it. Okay, and I'm gonna make like it's stretchy. It's really stretchy. And
Yeah, almost, but not quite.
this one is
Somebody else, I think he's
pretty
right on
good. Okay, and then the bubble, because I needed to do it in front of you, because last time you couldn't see me at all.
like the smoke. Yeah, right.
And then, see, look, there's like a bubble, and then I squeeze it. And if I had to rate this one from 0 to 10, I would rate it 10. 10. So yeah, today I thought I added this marble slime. And this one I'm gonna get better because thought it was better like a few days ago. But then it's not good, so I'm glad I did that. And my sister, she put the other slime that I made cookie with this one. She put it in this slime that she made, put like a different version of it, and it made it not good, like kind of like this one, but kind of better. Sweet. And so comment down below what you would rate this from 0 to 1. Comment down below 3 #round slime ones is the slime 2 is the blue the one that's sticky, the blue slime that's making it stand up. The blue slime is so the blue glow in the dark slime, and this slime that's really good. And yeah, so comment down below both these slimes, slime 1, slime 2, slime 3, and comment down below which one you think is better. And this is my slime haul, and I'll do another slime one. Comment down below if you want video suggestions and what I should do for my next video and stuff. And should I do a vlog soon? And yeah, so I'll do another one of these if you guys want me to. And if I have more slides, I probably will. I'm gonna ask my mom one day if I can just get like something like this to work. And I want to get clear glue for one slime. So I'm gonna get clear slime. And yeah, and next time I'm gonna make a video of me making another slime. So yeah. And
Whoa!
yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah. So guys, I'm about to do my intro in a second.
Oh, yeah, right.
So
Hey,
I'm
what's
gonna
that,
do an intro.
last
I'm
comment
gonna try to make an intro,
She started to tell her.
but
You get filled that fast.
yeah, I'm gonna try to make an intro soon. Like, if I can try to put like an intro or something on my phone or something. Like camera or something like that. Okay? But I probably won't, so I'll just speak one just in case. And yeah. So hey guys, it's me, as you can tell. So, bye guys. Yeah. So, and yeah, comment down below. And subscribe and share this. Comment and share with your friends. And subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss one of my videos ever in the wide world. It's just that no one's the same, so you can't judge them. And if you do, then just if you say everyone's the same, don't judge people. Just don't judge people. So yeah, bye guys, and I'll try to put an intro in this. So yeah, and so now hey please, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, it was probably not the best, but I'll start making more videos after if I have no homework mostly today, so like not as much homework, but I'll try not to post if I can. I still have lots of homework from school, and yeah. Guys, I really turned to do on my tablet. It's called channel is my other channels are Janani Lewis, and yeah, my channel on my phone and tablet are Janani Lewis, I think. So I'm gonna grab half of this thing and show you. So as soon as this, there. So I'm gonna move this right there, and then I'm gonna poke it. Okay, let's put a good poke in, and then I'll bubble, and then spread, and then yeah. So guys, I'm just gonna like slimes. So guys, I'm just gonna do a slime smoothie of each slime. So let me get
Oh,
this
security
one.
clearance. Talk to us about security clearance.
Yeah. And
Oh,
now I'm just gonna see what happens if I put some of this slime, some of this. Both of these slimes together. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna put this next one. Because what happens to that last one. And yeah. So this is what it turned out to be, guys. It's a really cool color.
oh, she wanted to go
And
with that.
it made the slime pretty good. But I'm just gonna put it in this slime. So I'm just gonna put it in here and mix it all in. And yeah, I don't know how people mix stuff in slimes. So yeah. Okay, guys, I'll try to put in each one. So yeah. So bye, guys. So those were my slimes. And I'll be right back, guys. So I'm just gonna say bye to you guys. Just in a moment. I'll be right back, guys. So just chill and I'll be right back. Joe, just look at these lovely flowers. Okay, these lovely flowers, okay? So yeah. And bye, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah. And my foot's asleep. My foot is asleep now. So yeah, I can't feel it, and like right here, I can't feel it. So yeah. And hope you guys very enjoyed this, because I spent 18 minutes, almost like 19 minutes of my time making this video for you guys. So hope you guys better give this video a thumbs up for like doing it 18 minutes, like not doing even too much stuff. So yeah, bye guys. And sorry my hair, it's very messy. And yeah, I woke up at like 10ish. So, and I'm still in my PJs, and it's like 4 or something, or 5 or something. But yeah, hope you guys very much enjoyed this. And yeah, and I'm in the my house, and yeah. So bye guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video very much. So peace out.